Alright, hey guys, here's a Casablanca Delta 2. You may not recognize this, but this is actually the very same fan that I picked up at the restore the other day. I was kind of getting tired of the same old, so I decided to dress up this Delta 2. I see way too much antique brass, and usually when you see a Delta 2, it's just kind of plain. It's either like snow white or antique brass with antique oak or polished brass with antique oak. You get the idea. So I put a K4S on it for my Four Seasons, some hammered glass that actually came from my Hampton Bay carriage house, and then the cherry wood blades I picked up at one of the stores prior to finding this fan. Yeah, I kind of broke my rule. I try not to open up new sets of blades, but I figured this is one of those chances that would have been a good opportunity to do, so I took it. Unfortunately, I do think it has a little bit of balloon bits inside the bearings or whatever, because the bearings sound pretty bad. When I got it, it did have a little bit of balloon string between the motor shaft and the switch housing, but it didn't look evident that it got into the bearings, but I'm thinking it did. Anyways, I really do like how this looks, and yeah, I'm pretty pleased with it. Unfortunately, like most fans that I've been getting lately, I don't have anywhere to put them. I wish I could install my fans, but unfortunately the sad truth is that I can't. Anyways, yeah, let's go take a look at it. Now the camera doesn't pick it up too well, but yeah, those are cherry wood. I don't know if turning this off will. Yeah, it did a little bit. Alright. There's the light. Alright, and let's go to low. Yeah, other than the whole vent screen issue and the messed up bearings, this fan is in pretty good shape. The ball is really kind of rough. Usually that's not an issue, but this one's kind of scratched up. The bearing noise is actually evident even on the speed, but nothing. Yeah, I don't know. Still kind of noticeable. Go to low or medium, my bad. Oh yeah, there they are. As you can see, it's kind of repetitive as opposed to just straight bearing noise, so it's kind of like in the conclusion that it was balloon bits and not in fact bad bearings. Although balloon bits make them bad bearings, so kind of contradicting myself there. Yeah, let's go to high. Spin down should be fairly normal, even though the bearings are pretty much shot. They're nice and freed up, it's just they're noisy. I suppose they could be pitted as well, but it just sounds too repetitive to be pitted or whatever. Yeah, as you can see, spin down is pretty normal. Alright, there's my Delta 2 with 5 blades. Let's go to 4, and I'll be right back. Alright, hey guys, I'm back with 4 blades. Really love this. Like, really love this. Usually I don't like Delta 2s with 4 blades, and I don't know why. I just don't, but this is really cool. Anyways, test out the light. And now the fan. Yeah, there's the bearing noise. Go to medium. Alright, and high. And let's do spin down. Yeah, I wasn't expecting that outcome. Yeah, I think I'm kind of warming up to the whole 4-blade configuration thing. Before I was kind of biased in just 5 blades. Like, I didn't care what it was, except for like a Victorian or Zephyr or whatever, or Delta. 4 Seasons, I guess. But this I really do like. I'm getting to the point where I don't really have a preference between the two. I seem to, kind of sway both ways. Like with fans, not the other way. Some of you might not get that, and that's good. Alright, there's my Casablanca Delta 2. Hope you guys enjoy, and thanks for watching.